Welcome to a revolutionary learning experience with Upskillist's How to Use Chat GPT course. At Upskillist, we've always been at the forefront of educational innovation, offering a diverse portfolio of courses across more than 90 subjects. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our groundbreaking AI division, a dynamic fusion of the expertise of our human educators and the cutting-edge capabilities of artificial intelligence. In this course, we're harnessing the power of advanced AI tools, not just to demonstrate the potential of AI in education, but to redefine it. As you embark on this journey with us, prepare to engage with learning in a way you've never experienced before. This isn't just education, it's an adventure into the future of learning, brought to you by the synergy of Upskillist's dedicated education team and the transformative power of AI. Get ready to lower your barriers and open your mind to the endless possibilities that await. Welcome to the How to Use Chat GPT course. In this first lesson, we will delve into the world of Chat GPT, understand its purpose, explore its potential, and learn how it can be beneficial in various contexts. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of Chat GPT's capabilities and be inspired to leverage its power in your own projects and applications. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an advanced language model based on the GPT, generative pre-trained transformer architecture. It has been trained on vast amounts of text data and has the ability to generate human-like responses given appropriate prompts. The GPT architecture consists of multiple layers of self-attention and feed-forward neural networks, enabling it to understand and generate coherent text based on context. ChatGPT's training process involves two key stages, pre-training and fine-tuning. Let's talk about them. During pre-training, ChatGPT is exposed to a massive amount of publicly available text from the internet. This exposure helps the model develop a strong language understanding by predicting what comes next in a given sentence or paragraph. By predicting words in context, ChatGPT learns grammar, semantics, and even some world knowledge. Here's how it works. Exposure to text data. ChatGPT is fed with an extensive and diverse corpus of text, which can include everything from books, articles, websites, and more. This corpus is used to expose the model to a wide range of language patterns and structures. Predictive learning. ChatGPT learns by predicting what comes next in a given sentence or paragraph. It tries to guess the next word or phrase in a text based on the context provided. This process helps the model learn grammar, syntax, semantics, and even some general world knowledge. Contextual understanding. By predicting words in context, ChatGPT learns how words and phrases relate to each other within sentences and paragraphs. This allows the model to understand and generate text that is coherent and contextually relevant. In summary, pre-training is all about building a strong foundation in language understanding by exposing the model to vast amounts of text data and training it to predict what should come next in a given context. After pre-training, ChatGPT goes through a fine-tuning process. This stage involves training the model on specific data sets with human-generated demonstrations and comparisons. By fine-tuning, ChatGPT can adapt to more specific tasks and improve its performance in generating relevant and coherent responses. How fine-tuning works. Custom data sets. Researchers and developers create specialized data sets for fine-tuning. These datasets include examples of how the model should respond in specific situations. They might contain question-answer pairs, dialogues, or other types of interactions that the model needs to handle. Human guidance. Human annotators are involved in this process. They provide explicit feedback and comparisons to train the model. For example, they might rate different responses for quality or select the most appropriate response from multiple choices. Task adaptation. Fine-tuning allows ChatGPT to adapt to more specific tasks or applications. By training the model on task-specific data, it becomes better at generating responses that are not just grammatically correct, but also contextually relevant and coherent within the context of the given task or application. Here are a few examples of the potential and applications of ChatGPT. Customer support. ChatGPT can be used to provide instant responses to customer inquiries, helping to address common issues and provide basic support. Here's how it can be utilized effectively. Instant responses. ChatGPT can provide immediate responses to customer inquiries. This is particularly valuable in situations where customers require quick answers or assistance. By integrating Chat GPT into customer support systems, businesses can ensure that inquiries are addressed promptly, improving customer satisfaction. Addressing common issues. Chat GPT is proficient at handling common and frequently asked questions, FAQs. It can quickly retrieve and deliver relevant information to customers, reducing the need for human agents to engage with routine queries. This frees up human agents to focus on more complex issues, thereby increasing the efficiency of the support team. Basic support. ChatGPT is capable of providing basic support by offering step-by-step guidance through simple processes or troubleshooting procedures. For example, it can help customers reset passwords, navigate websites, or troubleshoot common technical issues. This basic support can assist customers in resolving their problems without human intervention. It can handle FAQs, troubleshoot problems, and guide customers through processes. Content generation. ChatGPT can assist in generating content such as articles, blog posts, or even creative writing. It can help overcome writer's block, provide inspiration, or offer suggestions for generating engaging and informative content. Here's how it can be utilized effectively. Overcoming writer's block. Writer's block can be a significant obstacle for content creators. ChatGPT can serve as a helpful tool in breaking through this barrier. When a writer is stuck and unable to come up with ideas or words, ChatGPT can provide prompts, ideas, or even starter sentences to jumpstart the creative process. It's like having an instant brainstorming partner. Providing inspiration. ChatGPT's vast knowledge of language and topics means it can inspire writers with fresh and relevant ideas. Whether you're working on a blog post, an article, or a creative writing project, ChatGPT can suggest themes, concepts, or angles that writers might not have thought of on their own. Suggesting content topics. If you're not sure what to write about, ChatGPT can help by suggesting potential content topics. It can analyze current trends, user interests, and popular subjects to offer suggestions that are more likely to engage your target audience. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can be used as a conversational interface for virtual assistants, making interactions more natural and human-like. Here's how it can be utilized effectively. Conversational interface, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot, is a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to simulate conversation with human users. Instead of relying on rigid command-based interactions, users can engage in open-ended conversations with the virtual assistant. Understanding user queries. ChatGPT's natural language understanding capabilities enable it to comprehend a wide range of user queries and commands. It can decipher context, user intent, and nuances in language, making it easier for users to communicate their needs or questions. Retrieving relevant information. ChatGPT can quickly access and retrieve relevant information from a variety of sources. This can include accessing databases, searching the web, or accessing pre-stored data to provide users with accurate and up-to-date information in response to their queries. It can understand user queries, retrieve relevant information, and provide personalized responses. Language learning. ChatGPT can serve as a language learning tool by engaging in conversations with people, providing instant feedback, and offering language practice opportunities. It can simulate real-world conversations and help improve language proficiency. Part 4. Benefits of using ChatGPT. The use of ChatGPT offers several benefits that make it a valuable tool in various contexts. Following are a few examples. 1. Time saving. ChatGPT can provide quick responses, reducing the need for manual intervention or research. It can help users find information efficiently and streamline communication processes, leaving you a lot of time to utilize to upskill yourself. 2. Scalability. As a language model, ChatGPT can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, making it scalable for handling large volumes of user queries or interactions. It can maintain history, which is even more so helpful. 3. Accessibility. ChatGPT can be accessed and used from anywhere, making it convenient for users across the globe. It enables interactions and assistance irrespective of time zones or geographical boundaries. 4. Versatility. ChatGPT is versatile and adaptable to different domains and tasks. It can be fine-tuned and customized to suit specific requirements, making it applicable to various industries and applications. Let's move forward and explore the input-output format of Chat GPT. This is crucial for effectively interacting with the model. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of how to structure your inputs and interpret the outputs generated by Chat GPT. Understanding this format will empower you to have more meaningful and productive conversations with the model. Part 1. The Chat GPT conversation flow. Chat GPT operates based on a conversational approach, where you engage in a back-and-forth interaction with the model. This conversation flow is structured as a series of messages, consisting of both user messages and system messages. User messages. These are the inputs you provide to Chat GPT. User messages can be in the form of questions, prompts, or any text that sets the context for the conversation. You can think of user messages as your side of the conversation with ChatGPT. Let's walk through an example for better understanding. User message 1. What are the best hiking trails in California? User message 2. Are there any easy trails suitable for beginners? System messages. System messages help guide the conversation and influence ChatGPT's responses. They are optional and can be used to provide instructions, set the tone, or shape the behavior of the model. Like, welcome to the hiking recommendations chatbot. I can help you find the best hiking trails in California. Please let me know your preferences, and I'll provide personalized recommendations. Part 2. Structuring effective user messages. To obtain accurate and relevant responses from ChatGPT, it is essential to structure your user messages effectively. Let's go through some tips for crafting effective user messages. 1. Be clear and specific. Clearly state your query or request in a concise manner. The more specific you are, the better the chances of receiving accurate responses. Here's how it works. Concise communication. When you engage with ChatGPT, it's crucial to express your question, request, or query in a clear and concise manner. The more straightforward and specific your communication, the more likely you are to receive a precise and relevant response. Enhanced understanding. Clear and specific input helps ChatGPT better understand your intent. It reduces the chances of ambiguity and ensures that the model can focus on addressing the exact information or assistance you seek. Accuracy in responses. When your communication is clear and specific, ChatGPT can provide more accurate responses. This is particularly valuable when you have a particular topic or question in mind, and you want to obtain the most relevant and informative answer. Example: which hiking trail offers the best scenic views in Yosemite National Park? 2. Provide context. Context is crucial for ChatGPT to understand your query. Provide relevant information or background details to help the model generate appropriate responses. Here's how it works. Crucial for understanding. Context is vital for ChatGPT to comprehend your query or request. It gives the model the necessary information to generate responses that are pertinent to your specific situation or needs. Relevance and appropriateness. Providing context helps ensure that the responses generated by ChatGPT are relevant and appropriate to your circumstances. Without context, responses may be too general or miss the mark. Improved recommendations. Context allows ChatGPT to offer more tailored recommendations or suggestions. In the example provided, the user shares that they are planning a day trip to Yosemite National Park and are interested in scenic views during a hike. This additional information enables ChatGPT to suggest hiking trails that align with the user's interests and timeline. For example, try prompting the following. I'm planning a day trip to Yosemite National Park next month. I want to experience breathtaking scenic views during the hike. Can you suggest any trails? 3. Include constraints. If you have specific requirements or constraints for the response, mention them explicitly in your user messages. This helps guide ChatGPT's output to align with your needs. Here's how it works. Specific requirements. When you have particular expectations or specific criteria for the response you want from ChatGPT, it's beneficial to express them explicitly in your user messages. These requirements could pertain to the format, tone, level of detail, or any other aspect of the response. Guiding ChatGPT. By including constraints, you are essentially guiding ChatGPT to generate responses that align with your needs. It gives the model clear parameters to work within, ensuring that the generated content is not only relevant, but also compliant with your specified criteria. Enhanced relevance. Constraints help ensure that the responses are more pertinent to your context or situation. They can result in more precise, on-point, and tailored answers, recommendations, or explanations. Example: I prefer trails that are less than 10 miles long and suitable for intermediate-level hikers. Part 3. Interpretation of ChatGPT's responses. Understanding. ChatGPT's responses is essential to making the most out of your interactions. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Text generation. ChatGPT generates responses based on the given context and its pre-trained knowledge. The responses may vary based on the training data and the complexity of the query. Here's how it can be utilized effectively. Context-based responses. ChatGPT is designed to generate text responses based on the context provided to it. This means that when you input a question, prompt, or context, ChatGPT analyzes that information and generates a text response that is relevant to the context it was given. Pre-trained knowledge. ChatGPT's responses are influenced by the vast amount of pre-training it undergoes. During pre-training, the model is exposed to extensive internet text, which helps it develop a general understanding of language, grammar, semantics, and world knowledge. This knowledge serves as the foundation for generating text responses. Variability. ChatGPT's responses can vary based on several factors. The specific training data used, the complexity of the query, and the nature of the input context can all influence the content and quality of the generated text. This means that while ChatGPT strives to provide relevant and coherent responses, the outcomes may differ. Example: ChatGPT response. One of the best trails for scenic views in Yosemite National Park is the Mist Trail. It offers breathtaking views of Vernal Fall and Nevada Fall. It's a moderately difficult trail, about 7 miles long round trip. Make sure to start early to avoid crowds. 2. Be mindful of inaccuracies. While ChatGPT strives to provide helpful responses, it is important to remember that the model may occasionally generate incorrect or inaccurate information. Here's how it can be utilized effectively. Striving for helpful responses. ChatGPT is designed to provide helpful responses by generating text based on the context and its training data. It aims to assist users with their questions and queries, offering information and guidance. Potential for inaccuracies. However, it's essential to recognize that ChatGPT, like any other AI model, is not infallible. It may, on occasion, generate incorrect or inaccurate information in its responses. The inaccuracies could stem from the limitations in its training data, the complexity of the query, or other factors. Critical thinking. To ensure that the information you receive from ChatGPT is reliable, it's crucial to exercise critical thinking. This means evaluating the responses with a discerning eye and considering the context and the source, in this case, an AI model, providing the information. Cross-referencing information. Whenever accuracy is paramount, especially in scenarios like hiking trails, medical advice, or legal matters, it's advisable to cross-reference the information provided by ChatGPT with official sources or trusted experts. For example, if ChatGPT suggests a hiking trail, verify the details with the official park website or consult reliable hiking guides. Use critical thinking and cross-reference information when necessary. 3. Clarify and guide. If ChatGPT's response is not what you expected or lacks clarity, feel free to ask for more information or request specific details. You can guide the conversation further to narrow down the options or explore different aspects. Response expectations. ChatGPT strives to provide relevant and coherent responses, but it might not always meet your exact expectations. If the response doesn't fully address your query or if it lacks clarity, don't hesitate to take the initiative in guiding the conversation. Seeking more information. If you need additional information or specific details, feel free to ask for clarification. You can ask follow-up questions to dig deeper into a topic or request elaboration on a particular point. This allows you to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the subject at hand. Narrowing down options. ChatGPT can sometimes provide broad or general responses. If you have a specific focus in mind or want to explore particular aspects of a topic, you can guide the conversation in that direction. By narrowing down the options, you can receive more targeted and relevant information. Example: User message. Can you provide more details about the difficulty level and estimated hiking time for the mist trail? Understanding the various applications of ChatGPT will provide you with a solid understanding of its purpose, potential, and how it can be beneficial in various contexts. By the end of this lesson, you will gain insights into the wide range of possibilities and be inspired to apply ChatGPT in your own projects and domains. 1. E-commerce support. ChatGPT can assist customers in finding products, provide information about stock availability, recommend similar items, and answer frequently asked questions about shipping and returns. 2. Technical support. ChatGPT can handle basic technical support inquiries, such as troubleshooting common issues, providing step-by-step instructions, or escalating complex problems to human support agents. 3. Travel assistance. ChatGPT can help travelers with queries about flight details, hotel reservations, visa requirements, local attractions, and recommendations for restaurants or activities in specific destinations. ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool for content creators, writers, and researchers. It offers support in generating content ideas, overcoming writer's block, and improving the quality of written material in way less time. Here are a few examples. 1. Blogging and article writing. ChatGPT can assist bloggers and content writers by suggesting engaging topics, providing research insights, helping with structuring articles, and offering ideas for captivating introductions or conclusions. 2. Creative writing. ChatGPT can act as a virtual muse, inspiring creative writers with prompts, offering alternative plotlines, and providing suggestions for character development or dialogues. 3. Language translation and correction. ChatGPT can assist in translating text from one language to another and offer corrections for grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. Part 3. Virtual assistants and conversational interfaces. ChatGPT can serve as the conversational backbone of virtual assistants and chatbot interfaces, enhancing their capabilities and improving user experiences. Here are a few examples. 1. Personal assistants. ChatGPT can engage in natural language conversations, understand user queries, manage schedules, set reminders, and provide personalized recommendations for various tasks. 2. Customer service chatbots. ChatGPT can handle initial customer inquiries, assist with order tracking, provide product information, and guide users through self-service processes. 3. Language practice. ChatGPT can facilitate language learning by engaging people in conversational interactions, providing vocabulary suggestions, and offering feedback on grammar or pronunciation. Part 4. Domain-specific applications. ChatGPT's potential extends to various specialized domains, catering to specific industry needs and tasks. Here are a few examples. 1. Legal and compliance. ChatGPT can provide basic legal advice, answer frequently asked legal questions, and assist in understanding legal documents or contracts. 2. Financial services. ChatGPT can offer personalized financial advice, guide users through investment choices, provide budgeting tips, and answer queries related to banking services. 3. Medical support. ChatGPT can help users find general medical information, provide suggestions for self-care or symptom management, and offer support in finding nearby healthcare providers. In this lesson, we explored the vast potential use cases of ChatGPT. From customer support and content generation to virtual assistants and domain-specific applications, ChatGPT offers diverse solutions that can benefit individuals and businesses in various contexts. By structuring effective user messages, you can guide the conversation and receive accurate responses. Remember to provide clear context, be specific in your queries, and include any relevant constraints. Understanding the potential use cases of ChatGPT allows us to envision its benefits in our own projects and applications. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, we can streamline customer interactions, generate creative content, and enhance user experiences. As we progress through this course, we will learn how to effectively utilize ChatGPT in practical scenarios and maximize its potential in various contexts. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but responsible use is paramount. As we explore its capabilities, we must be mindful of ethical considerations, potential biases, and the need to verify information. By doing so, we ensure that our interactions with ChatGPT align with ethical guidelines and produce unbiased and reliable results. Stay engaged, keep exploring the possibilities, and embrace the potential of ChatGPT in your own projects and applications. Get ready for the next lesson, where we will dive into setting up and accessing ChatGPT. The journey has just begun, and there's much more to learn.